Hello everyone. The sales blanket order module will help the user to create one huge order, and from that order we can generate an quotation in different quantities from the blanket orders. Once installed this module, there will be a menu named blanket orders in the sales. Now let's get into the sales. Under orders we can see an option for blanket orders. So from here we can create an blanket orders. So in this page let's add an customer, and here we can add the products. So here you can see that I have added some products with the quantity of 5. Okay, and you can see there will be a stages named draft, confirm, as well as the expiry one. So after enabling all the products, now let's confirm this order. Here you can see two options. One will be in create quotation from this blanket orders, and another one will be the cancel. To cancel, you can just click on the cancel option to cancel it, and you can just make this to the draft, and you can just confirm it again, and you can just create an quotation from here. Now to create an quotation from the blanket order, you can just click on the create quotation, which is available here. So in this page, you can see a new quotation quantity will be there. You can just update if you need it. So for example, let's update the quantity to 3. So here you can see that there will be a 5 quantity left. Among from that, I am using only 3 quantities. So let's create an quotation. So it will create an quotation for those 3 quantities alone. Okay. Now let's get into the blanket order again. So here you can see that one sale order will be created and the remaining quantity will be 2. Okay. So now let's create an quotation for those 2 quantities, and you can see the quantity will be 2. Now let's create an quotation. So here you can see that the quotation will be created for those remaining quantities. In the blanket orders, the remaining quantities will be updated real time. So when a new quotation will be created, at that time user can create a quotation from the remaining quantities. When the user will try to create a quotation with more than the quantity remaining quantity, there will be a warning. So let's check that. So for that, let's duplicate this tab and let's confirm this order and create a quotation from here. So from here you can see the remaining quantity. So let's add a new quotation quantity will be the 10 and create the quotation, and you can see the warning like this, like you can't create a 10 quantity of the storage box because the remaining quantity is 5. Okay, and like the same way, now let's create a quotation with the quantity that we have. Okay, and you can see the sales order will be created for all the quantities. Now if user tries to create a quantity for the next one, it will shows that the sale order has been already created. In this way, we can make use of this module to help user to create one huge order, and from that you can just create an quotation in different quantities from this blanket order. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.